Title: Google's Bard broadens horizons, takes on ChatGPT with global expansion. TLDR: Google ramps up the AI game with the expansion of Bard, a rival to Microsoft's ChatGPT, across 180 countries. Generative AI tech is not only powering Google's search engine but also a broad array of its services. As the world of artificial intelligence becomes increasingly competitive, can Google catch up with Microsoft? Will Google's approach to responsible AI be a game changer? The full story. As the sun shone on the heart of Silicon Valley during Google's annual developer conference, the air was filled with palpable excitement. Google announced the worldwide expansion of its artificial intelligence, Bard, to 180 countries, taking direct aim at Microsoft's ChatGPT. The AI chessboard is set, but will this move help Google checkmate its rival? Bard, as a generative AI, has been thrust into the spotlight, showcasing Google's innovative response to the evolving AI landscape. Sundar Pichai, Google's chief executive, set the tone as he addressed thousands of developers, remarking, "We have been applying AI for a while. With generative AI we are taking the next step." But is this the leap Google needs to maintain its tech giant status? The AI transformation doesn't stop there. Google is reimagining its core products, including its leading search engine. This dramatic change in approach, underlined by Google's decision to remove the waitlist for Bard, signals an aggressive push to take the AI lead. Users worldwide can now engage with Bard, after months of trial runs in the US and Britain. Is this the dawn of a new AI era? Bard's generative AI capabilities don't just influence search engines. Gmail, photo editing, online work tools, and more are now woven with the magic of AI. Even the drafting of emails and idea suggestion for artwork now falls under Bard's growing scope. Is the line between human and AI creativity beginning to blur? Google's intent is not only bold but responsible, according to Senior Product Director Jack Krafchick. Amid societal concerns about AI's potential threat, including the spread of disinformation and job obsolescence, Google's commitment to responsible AI is crucial. How will Google's commitment to responsible AI impact the technology's evolution and societal perception? Not just content with expanding AI's reach, Google also unveiled new Pixel devices, including a $1,799 foldable smartphone with a tablet-sized bendable screen. Alongside this were new tablet editions and a budget-friendly version of the flagship smartphone in the Pixel lineup. How will these releases stack up in the competitive world of tech gadgets? Google's announcements come in the wake of rival Microsoft extending public access to its generative AI programs, powered by OpenAI's models, the creator of ChatGPT. As the AI giants race against each other, who will gain the edge in this new frontier of technology? In other news, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has ordered an increase in border security with Belarus due to the presence of Russian paramilitary group Wagner. Turkish taekwondo athletes Nafia Kush and Suda Yaran Hazansavdar clinched gold at the third European Games in Poland. Meanwhile, home delivery grocery app Getir announced a redundancy plan impacting 1,560 jobs due to its withdrawal from the Spanish market. First seen at Infers https://www.infers.com/576887/Google